Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with the right file and a firmly held workpiece. Select flat or round depending on the contour. Once chosen, clamp the part in a vise so the area to cut faces you and has 1 2 mm clearance for the file. Hold the handle with your dominant hand and support the tip with your other hand to control angle. Start with a light forward stroke, applying pressure only on the push, lift on the return. This sets an even cutting action and prevents clogging. Now you focus on rhythm and angle. Use long, smooth strokes that cover the cut area. This produces a flat, predictable surface and reduces gouging. Make each forward pass the cutting stroke and ease off on the return. Keep the file at a steady 10 to 30 degrees for edges. For faces, go flatter to avoid aggressive removal. Once done, brush the teeth with a file card often so debris doesn't pack the teeth. Make sure to check progress frequently and adjust pressure. Finish by easing pressure and switching to a finer file or abrasive for a smooth surface. You want controlled removal rather than heavy cutting. Deburr the edge with a few light passes and inspect with your finger or a straight edge to ensure flatness. If you encounter scratches or a gouge, stop and return to a coarser file to remove the defect, then progressively refine again. One key troubleshooting tip: if the file skips or bounces, resecure the workpiece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.